Today I'm going to be doing honey mustard chicken with side of green beans. As you can see, a lot of my chicken has a lot of fat and red spots, which is blood. And as you know, I'm not a big fan of fatty meat. Yeah, I know it has a lot of flavor in it. It also helps keep a lot of the flavor, but that's just me. You can leave the fatty meat if you want, or you can take it off. I like to cut slits in it to help take in the marinade, which is basically just honey and mustard. You wouldn't think that with the thicknesses of the two, they would actually turn into a good liquid. It turns into a liquid easy. All you gotta do is just mix it up. Simple spoon. Oop, there's a bone. I see why I always go over and cut my chicken. Because you never know what you're going to get when you get store-bought. Unfortunately, I don't have my own chickens. Once I get a piece of property, then I can do all this myself. Raise my own chickens and all that good stuff. Always is fun when you got fresh livestock that you can actually use. Not to mention the benefits of having chickens. You got an early morning alarm clock. You got farm fresh eggs. I just got to get me a nice piece of property away from everybody, and I'll be happy. Then I can start building me a smoker for smoking meat. Do an awesome barbecue pit. Don't get me wrong, I got a barbecue pit and everything, but still, it's not like having your own custom-made barbecue pit that you can build yourself. That's why this channel is also known as Kenny's Kitchen and more. Show you some easy steps on doing things. Sometimes the chicken is sticky. Sometimes you can just take the fat off like that. Not always, but still. Always make sure you keep your knives nice and sharp. Helps make your food prep a lot easier. Get all this fatty meat out of there. If y'all have any ideas for different recipes that y'all like to see me make on this channel, drop it in the comments below. Just can't do seafood because I'm allergic. Yes, it sucks being from Louisiana, but it is what it is. Funny how I'm the only one in this household that has an allergic reaction to seafood. Even my 5-year-old monster does it. Alright. As you can see, I got my 4 chicken breasts in a pan. Move this out the way for the time being. Always wash your hands when cooking. You don't want to cross-contaminate anything. And it's also very sanitary. And it also helps with COVID. Yeah. We all know about that noise. So what you basically do is you got your meat already set in the pan. I like using farm fresh, which I know is locally harvested and properly taken from the honeycombs without harming the bees or using any kind of pesticides or smoke or anything like that. So I know for a fact that this place here harvests their own honey without harming any of the bees or nature itself. You should always look them up on Facebook. They're real good. As you can see, I got some honey right here. Going to add my mustard next. There's no real mixture on how much that you should actually use to make this. It all depends on how much you want to make for your marinade. I like to use a fork to mix this up. Helps blend it in real good. See how the consistency changes? Both of them are thick, and now it's more of a liquid than anything. Just mix it in all kind of crazy directions. It doesn't really matter. If you go left to right, right to left, doesn't matter. Up and down, who cares? It's all about getting that consistency. And as you can see, it's not thick, not too thin. If you want, you can always add more honey or mustard, whichever you so choose. And we'll be using my famous Zydeco Fire. Love these guys. This is my main seasoning. My main go-to for these people. Everything I cook, I always use Zydeco Fire. Add you a good little dash. Seasoning on top of your chicken breast. You just take your honey. Just pour it over the chicken breast. Get a good coating on top of it. And as you see, the slits are automatically taken in the honey and the mustard. Helps get a good flavor on the inside of the chicken breast, which I'm going to actually make some more because I like a lot of honey mustard. And as you can see, the pan is pretty much covered with honey mustard. Just move it around a little bit. If you want to take the chicken breast off and get the bottom coated, just take your pan, take one breast out, work the pan back and forth, and as you see, it covers up that area of the pan that's without honey mustard. simple little tricks. Makes your cooking a whole lot better. And trust me, you want the best flavor that you can get. Oop, one chicken breast is sliding over. Just slide it back over. And as you can see, everything's already covered. This is where you can always add more seasoning or add more honey mustard, so your own choosing. Gotta wash my hands since I was touching the chicken. This is the point where you can actually get creative with your cooking. If you like it just like this, just put aluminum foil over the top, stick it in the oven at about 400 degrees for about 35-45 minutes. Or you can add mixed peppers, onions, garlic, whatever you want. If there's any special seasoning or extra flavors that you might like on your chicken, you can add it now. That's one of the good things about honey. It's always got that flavor, and it's got a shelf life like no other. It'll outlast me and you. Fun fact, when they was doing archaeology in ancient Egypt, they found honey from 2,000 years ago. I'm not really sure on that one, but yeah, they found ancient honey, and it's still good today. So let me go ahead and mix up some more. Make honey and mustard for this recipe, and I'll be good to go. Yeah, that's good. Look at all that goodness. Look at all that goodness coming out of this jar. I highly recommend that you go to your local farmer's market or maker's market, whichever you have, and buy from local suppliers. Don't do it from the big box store, because they always add preservatives and ingredients that is not really necessary. Always shop local. Here's another little trick for you. If you want to, you can always add your seasoning to your honey mustard mix. You don't have to, but yeah, you can always do that. I think I'm gonna do it. The problem is with doing this way, you gotta make sure it's mixed in real good. Let's open up the chicken, try to get some in the slits that we made for catching of the flavor. To help with the marinade process. Don't know if you can see it because I got the bowl in the way, but still, you can always add what's left over to the top. I highly recommend when you're cooking honey mustard chicken that you always go back in different stages of baking this, because I'd rather bake it. that you always take a spoon and take your honey and just cover the tops. Even though I'm doing it with a fork, still. It's just in reference. To help with ease of cleaning, always try to wash your utensils as you go. Leave it with soap or whatever. That way you don't have that big of a mess to clean up afterwards. You can do it with or without aluminum foil, but I recommend using aluminum foil for the baking process. Help keep the moisture and flavor in. Always have a pan with a lip. Makes it so much easier when you're doing this. I got glass pans that has lips only on the side, and it makes it harder to cook, harder to wrap down the aluminum foil. And there you go. All you gotta do is stick it in the oven. Here I got green beans and Rotel tomatoes. Yes, I'm cooking from a can this time. I love Rotel tomatoes. They're really good and it has a lot of flavor. I got the mild because my wifey doesn't really care too much for too much seasoning. You just mix a half can with 2 cans of green beans. If you got fresh green beans, like I have here, cut them up in about 1 inch sections of everything. Cut them up as best you can. Put them on the side for now. And now I have, in my opinion, the world's best sausage, Viron. I got 3 links right here. Well, partial links. Just slice them up. When you got an angle like that, I just like throwing it on the side. Because I do have an official taste tester. He's laying behind me waiting for his moment to shine. Uh-oh. Here he comes. There he is. What? You want to be on camera too? Okay, look. You ready to do your taste test? You ready to do your taste test? Okay. Let me finish cutting up my sausage, okay? Oh, no yawns. You tell me I'm that boring? Okay. Let me get all this cut up and you can have your taste. Okay? I can't have an official taste tester unless I have him here with me waiting oh so patiently. Oh, you're getting closer now, huh? What are you yawning for? I woke you up from a nap? Are you telling me I'm that boring? Boy, I swear. Yes, my dogs eat as good as I do. You take care of your dogs, they take care of you. Alright, let's adjust the camera so everybody can see you getting your taste test. What's your taste? There you go. Oh, look at that. Oh, no, 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 no. Yum, 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 yum. That's good. Is that good? No, you're not getting no more. No. I don't want you bacon. No. Was that good? I see you licking your face. I see you licking your face. Is that good? You good? Yeah? We can wag your tail if you they're good. Was that good? Okay. I'm not giving you no more. No, you're done. Alright. Thank you for tasting my sausage. Now I need to wash my hands since I gave him some sausage. You still waiting for some more free handouts? Boy. Those 3 pieces wasn't good enough for you? I like to cut my sausage into quarters, as you can see, and just sprinkle it in with the rest of the green beans and the rotel. Really? You're not gonna stop bugging me? But Daddy, I want some more. That's not good enough. That free sample was not good enough for me. I can't give you an honest explanation on my taste test. I need more. Give me more, Daddy. Husky life, people. Husky life. Yeah. Husky life in Louisiana. Don't worry, you're gonna get some more. Let me just finish chopping up so I'll have plenty in there. I'll stir this up in there and mix it all real good. As you can see, it's turning out really good. I hate when it happens. Yeah, we like a lot of meat in our green beans and anything we do here in the South. Here, here's a little sample. You missed it, dude. I can't believe that. You missed that free sample. You didn't catch it in midair. Boy, you're getting old. You're getting slow in your old age. You don't have to add this much sausage. You don't have to add this kind of sausage. You know. Hey, if you want regular old green beans, go for it. I have no problem with that. It's all about what you want. All right. You ready for this one? You catch it? Let me turn the camera so you can catch it, so everybody can see you catching it. Catch it? You better catch it. You live on YouTube. Come on, catch it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh boy, I swear. You're getting slow in your old age, dude. I swear. With the rest of the Viron sausage, just mix it up with your green beans. Throw it on low heat. Add a little bit of butter. Help saute this down, and you're good to go. Just in case somebody is wondering who my official taste tester is, this is him. This is Sauter. Full-blown Siberian Husky. Yes, I know. You want a burger? You want a burger? Do you want this? You want it? Here. Oh, nom 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 nom. Yeah, that was a meal from the other day. And you see, he loves my cooking. Never a dull moment when you got a husky. Look at him. He's not spilling a drop. Yeah. Yeah, I know. You need to stop shaking off when you're coming in my house. Yeah. Was that good? Was that good? You better look at me. What? Why are you, why are you looking so shameful? What? What? Oh. Oh, you give me the bow. I'm the master. I'll fill your belly. I'll fill your belly. Alright. And here we have the finished product. Honey mustard chicken. Green beans. Oh, 2 thumbs up. However you want to say it. Or do it. Flip them over, let the marinade get on both sides real good. Can I help you? Alrighty. Time for dinner. Go away. It's time to eat.